Welcome to English class with Miss Faith.
Let's learn about weather. Repeat after me. Sunny, sunny. Rainy, rainy. Cloudy, cloudy. Windy, windy. Snowy, snowy. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. Stormy, stormy. Foggy, foggy. Speaking practice. Listen and answer. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny. How's the weather? It's rainy. It's rainy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's windy. It's windy. How's the weather? It's snowy. It's snowy. How's the weather? It's hot. It's hot. How's the weather? It's cold. It's cold. How's the weather? It's stormy. It's stormy. How's the weather? It's foggy. It's foggy.
Let's review. Repeat after me.
It's sunny. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's rainy. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's windy. It's snowy. It's snowy. It's hot. It's hot. It's cold. It's cold. It's stormy. It's stormy. It's foggy. It's foggy.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.